0.25, left click, then right click to close the line command. Then then name the xy, then x, here y, then here vp, construct triangle of 25 mm sides. For that, take line thickness 0.5, just left click and leave the mouse. See, when you take line, it will ask length and angle. You give length 25 and the angle is 0. Then length same 25, angle you take 120, then length 25, then 240. Our triangle is constructed. Select this, go to rotation. I consider this as resting edge. I select one end of that edge, then another end of that edge, make that line straight like this. Now this is rested on HP. This is my reference side. This is resting point. Okay. Then you show one dimension, then one angle, then name the points. This is, after that you can arrange. Okay, then go to line. Now top view is over. For front view, you first draw horizontal line from front view, you draw horizontal line from top view. Take line, thickness 0.13, descend to xy line like this. Descend to xy line. Then take thickness 0.5, descend to this end. You move like, see, don't click like directly here. Move over this line, you will get end point, then only you click. Okay, my front view is over. Then name the points. A is visible, C is invisible, B is visible, then okay. Now the next position, the front view, means for HP, see, surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. So you first select this object or front view, then go to move, switch on copy, take this end point, move somewhere here. See, when you get this on the line symbol, see, where is that? This symbol means when you get xy line red, when you get on the line symbol is visible, then left click, then go to rotation. This must be in white color, means cut option. Take this end point, then take this end point, give the angle 60 degree. 60, enter. Now you can left click over. Then go to angle between, select this line, don't click center point, somewhere here you click here and click. Then select these two text boxes, here you go, angle you give 0. Now move wherever you want like this over. See, now the surface of the lamina is inclined to HP at 60 degree. Now front view is over. Now you need to draw top view. For that, go to line, thickness 0.13. See, you move like this, you will get endpoint, then only you draw. Like this you draw line, endpoint, draw line, this end to this is C is in this line, you draw till that. This is A is on this line, you draw till that, here to here. Then trim extra lines. Now take line, thickness 0.5, this end to this end, this end, this end. Now completed. Our top view is completed. Name the points. For naming, what I do is select this, hold the control button and drag. Select, hold the control button and drag. Select and drag. See, my top view also completed, front view or second position completed. Now for third position, the edge on which it rests is inclined to VP at 60 degree. This means this edge means AC. This edge is inclined to VP at 60 degree. First you draw on position line, left click, I want 60 degree. Go to angle between, left click, give angle 60 over. Now we need to move same top view here and rotate this to 60 degree. For that, first you select the object, then go to move, take this C or A, anything you take. I am taking C. First see, I am taking C, first place C over that 60 degree line. See, when that 60 degree line red becomes red and on the line symbol, this symbol will appear. See, you just left click, the C is exactly on that line, and then go to rotate command. This must be in white color, means cut option. First you select C, because C is already placed on C on 60 degree line. First you select C, then take A, then rotate. See, again that line 60 degree line becomes red and on the line symbol comes, then you left click. Our rotation is completed. See, it's exactly on that line. Trim extra line. Now top view is over. Now we need to construct front view. For that, I simply draw one position line from here B to here. Okay. Now take line, thickness 0.13, from start from A. I am drawing for position line. Where is A? A is in XY line. Till that I draw the line. Again go to B. B is in second line. From here to here. Till that I draw line. Again go to C. C is up to, where is C? C is in XY line. Over. I got all 3 points. Then go to line, thickness 0.5, all points. Where is A? A is here, then B, then C, then again A. My triangle. This extra lines you trim. Now all extra lines are trimmed. And then this is B dash. Then this is A dash. You can use the leader to show the direction of construction. Here you can use this one, leader. Like this you can construct. It's not compulsory.